Hello everyone, this is Lovely. This is the first time that I took this video because I want to share some cooking style when we are staying at home. I know during this is COVID-19 virus special time, all of you are fighting for this virus. That's why let's work it together. I know some restaurant in your city may not open, so you cannot take away if you don't know how to cook. So that will be the purpose that I take this video. I want to share. This is very simple thing because sharing is the best way to say we love the world and we will fight for any disease. Okay, anyway, let's get back to the topic. Today I'm going to teach you guys for how to cook braised homemade chicken with potato. Some material I've already prepared because I want to save the time. Okay, let's see what we are going to take for this dish. I'm here, I prepared some chicken wing. You can use some chicken wing or some chicken breast, the meat, and one potato. I've already made it pieces because as I said, time saving. So now I'm going to boil some water to soak this meat. It will make the meat be soft. Okay, the water is boiled, so I soak this chicken wing for a few minutes. And by the meanwhile, we need to cut. We need to cut some ginger, shallot. I've already cut like this. Okay, now after the chicken soak it for minutes, let's empty the water. Empty the water. And then let's see what kind of seasoning that we need for now. We need oyster sauce, 5 spices powder, and this chicken powder and sugar. Just now I've already shown you guys about the shallot and ginger slices and pieces. Okay, now we need to cut every single chicken wing. To cut it, the purpose is to make it soak it. Let's start it to soak the chicken wing by using this seasoning. We need to cut every pieces. Let me first turn the egg here to save your gas time. Of course, it's not really professional, but you take it just this sharing. And then now I'm going to use this size spoon. This size is just like your finger size. Sprinkle the shallot and ginger. Put it on the top. And I'm going to use this cooking wine. If you don't have this cooking wine, you can use the alternative of beer. Wow. 2 spoons. And the 5 spice powder, I'm going to use half spoon. Half spoon. Also sprinkler on the top. Trace it. nicely. Chicken powder. Half a teaspoon. If you don't have chicken powder, you can use the alternative of salt. Another half spoon, maybe 1 spoon. Okay, now to make chicken wing, soak for 5 minutes. Keep it for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, I've already mixed the sauce. The seasoning will be 2 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of oyster sauce, 2 spoons of soy sauce. Okay, and this is the time saving. Let's start it to cook. You need to have this rice cooker, electric cooker, and then put oil. You can use peanut oil or olive oil. If you want to be low fat, use olive oil. And put the soaked chicken wing. And put these pieces of potato. The most important step will be my dressing. This dressing will be made very perfect, delicious. If your taste is light, you can just put a few spoons, but I like a strong taste. And mix. When the color turns to dark, put maybe 50 ml water. Close it and boil for at least 40 minutes. Let's see after 40 minutes. Okay, now let's check the dish. Wow. Very nice. Okay, it seems ready to eat. So the dish has completed. Hope you guys can enjoy this video. That's all for today. Thank you. See you next.